DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common household issue: fixing broken or bent vertical blinds. Whether it's from wear and tear, pets, or an accidental mishap, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps to get your blinds looking as good as new. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more handy DIY fixes. Now let's get started. Materials needed: replacement slats if necessary, flathead screwdriver, pliers, scissors or a utility knife, blind slat saver kit or paper clips for temporary fixes. Step 1. Assess the damage. Start by examining your blinds to identify the issue. If the slats are bent, they can often be straightened. However, if they're cracked or broken, you'll need a replacement slat. Measure your existing slats to ensure you purchase the correct size. Step 2. Removing the broken slat. To remove a damaged slat, first, open the blinds fully to relieve tension. Locate the chain at the bottom connecting the slats and unhook or cut it near the damaged slat. Then, gently slide out the slat from the clips holding it in place. Step 3. Fixing a bent slat. If your slat is bent, simply use your fingers or the needle nose pliers to gently straighten them out. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as you don't want to break them further. Step 4. Replacing a broken slat. Now, if you have any broken slats, it's time to replace them. Start by removing the damaged slat. You can usually do this by tilting it up and sliding it out of the holder brackets. Then, insert the new slat into place and secure it. This step is crucial for maintaining the alignment and functionality of your blinds. Step 5. Test your blinds. Once everything is back in place, give your blinds a test. Adjust them up and down and make sure the slats rotate properly. It's essential that everything moves smoothly without any obstruction. And there you have it. Fixing broken or bent vertical blinds doesn't have to be a headache. With these simple steps, you can easily fix your vertical blinds and make them look as good as new. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent damage and extend the life of your blinds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more DIY home repair guides.